Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use shields in Monopoly Go. So, let me tell you, what are shields? Well, shields are really important if you're playing Monopoly Go. If you see on the top right corner of my screen, I don't have shields. Okay, perfect. I'm heading to shutdown. So these are what shields are for. You see all these buildings, monuments that you build in your board? As you can see, there's the bridge. It's broken down because it doesn't have a shield. That's what a shield is for. That's how you use a shield. So how do you get a shield? Well, you just continue rolling on the board until you get the shields, or it will get awarded for you in a different way. So I'm just gonna keep rolling and rolling because I still have lots of dices, and it will help me get the shield to protect my board. So let's just see if I can get the shield soon. Not yet. I just keep missing it just for a bit. I don't know why. I think this is the right one. Yes, finally I get 3 shields. So yes, I get 3 shields. So do you want to know what else? Why shields are important? Just like I showed you in a while ago. This is what happens when you don't have a shield. As you can see, this is my board. You need to pay in order for it to be fixed. And if you had buildings that are upgraded to almost max and then they get destroyed, you get to pay more in order to fix them. So make sure you have your shields. So that's how you use shields in Monopoly Go. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.